Hello folks, this is David's Mule Train Homestead, and I'm messing with bees today. They've been real testy. We had to split this hive. They got kind of anxious and hit me in the eye, got me on the eyebrow, and my whole eye swelled shut. So now I'm looking at the beehive, and there's something going on the outside and seeing why they're gathered and hanging there. I'm going to put some diatomaceous earth around the legs of this stand so that I can keep the ants from getting in there. Now we're going to turn around and see what's going on the hive. So now we're watching the entrance, and they've eaten half of their sugar water. They got a pepper tree flow going right now, and swamp cabbage palm. Cabbage palms, palm trees are in bloom, so they've been eating on those too. They've been hungry for months, so that's why they got testy before the flow started. The hive got real congested, so we had to split it. And this is a split off. And there's a new queen in there. I just put her in there Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. She should be out of the cage by now. So we got to do an inspection and see how that's going. See, I got that dial set on the front of the nuke box there. I got that dial set to where the queen can't get out. But I opened it up to where the other bees, the workers, can get in and out. Well, the shade's moving in on them now. That's what I want. Late in the afternoon, I want shade. In the morning, I want sun. So that's the way I got it set. It's facing south, which is good. And I got it tilted, so when it rains, the water can't run down in the hive. Let me move over here a little bit so you can see the tilt on it. All right, girls, go away. Go away, girl. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's the tilt. They're hanging out on the front of the hive in a cluster on the lid. Over here. Let's see if we can. Maybe it's too warm for them today. I don't know. I still don't trust them. They ain't settled down enough for me. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, there's the diatomaceous earth around the legs. That will control the ants and kill them if they try to get in the hive. And ants are a bad thing for beehives. You also can do that with in your gardening too. You control the ants and keep them out of your garden. Real active today for the bees. There's a few of them hanging out on the side right there. All right, girls. For those that don't know, you can learn a lot just watching the entrance on a beehive. Learn a lot about them. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Hit the subscribe button, smash